What's up, Tim Sykes here in Greece, in Santorini, one of my favorite places in the world. Look at this, always recycle, FYI. And I am here with Huddy. Come on in, Huddy. How's it going, man?
It's a beautiful, beautiful world.
Yo, look at this. This is crazy. Huddy just made literally what, 3,700 or 3,600 from
36.
here? 3,600 from here. I made $350 to be exact. Trade with a small account, donate it all to charity, it's fine. Just crossed over $5 million in profits. Huddy's closing in on $250,000 in profits. Life is beautiful, right?
Life is good.
I mean, what do you think about this? Because this is, how long have you been in the challenge? How long have you been like in this journey?
We're going on 5 years right now.
And what did you think like in the beginning versus now? Like aside from the money that you've made, like what has changed?
It's almost surreal to think about the person you develop as you go through the journey and as you refine yourself and refine the strategies that you take on. It's just amazing to see your dreams come true and your hard work start to pay off.
And you were actually here in Mykonos, so you took the ferry over to Santorini. And you know, where are you these days? You're all over the place like me. What's going on?
Just traveling Europe and living my own life and working on my own schedule and doing everything that was always promised if you worked hard and got it done.
What are some of the countries that you've been to lately?
We did a lot of Italy this year. We did Lake Como, Milan, Florence, Capri, Sorrento. Going to Switzerland after this. It's just freaking beautiful. And I'm not even trading. I don't have to trade.
Well, you're trading a little bit. You just made $3
today.
grand. I mean, that's something. A lot of people would like to make $3 grand. You're a little spoiled right now.
What's
I'm gonna
beautiful is
admit
I don't have to trade every day. You know, I can pick the days I want to trade and I pick the days that I don't want to trade.
But can you admit that you're a little spoiled right now?
I feel very spoiled.
Right? Where you're like, I'm not even trading. Oh, I made $3 grand today. Read this view. No, it's kind of cool to like, you know, be here with a student in these places because I know that you usually just see me. But Huddy is a great example of what you can do if you study hard and if you have patience. Like he's in year 5. This didn't happen in year 1, year 2. How much money did you make in year 1 and year 2? Just out of curiosity.
I wasn't profitable.
So you made nothing
I made nothing.
and you lost.
At the end of the day, not a lot, but it was make a grand, lose a grand 5 the next, pretty much.
What gave you like the confidence to just keep up with it? Because a lot of people lose in the beginning and then they just stop and they quit.
I actually did door-to-door sales. I graduated in high school, so I got used to having days where you didn't make money, failure, being rejected, and then through door-to-door sales, I learned how to have a positive attitude, how to keep on with the game plan, keep on putting your best effort in, and knowing that the other side is totally worth the reward if you can try your best.
What were you selling, by the way?
Contracts, door-to-door.
That sounds terrible.
Terrible. It was terrible. But I ended up running my own office because I ended up breaking records. You know, I just
So
kept at it.
this is a thing. This is what I want you guys to see. You know, I've had several successful companies, several successful pursuits over my life. I never gave up. Even when I was like, you know, just down on my luck. You know, when I first got started teaching, there was a big headline, you know, failed hedge fund manager tries again on the internet. I'm going to link that article. It's a Reuters article. I've had my downs when I frankly did not pay attention to my rules. When you were losing, were you paying attention to my rules or no?
The only one I was paying attention to was cut losses quickly, live to trade another day.
So you minimize your losses at least.
Yeah, I was able to stay afloat.
But the other stuff, you weren't like really, you know, focusing on the right patterns or anything.
I was all over the place. I wasn't defined.
Gotcha. So now you're defined, you're refined, you're optimized, and you're cutting losses quickly still. It's not like it's always a given. Like, it's not like, oh, we plan to make money from here. You know, a trade popped up for each of us. We each took the meat of the move, so that's kind of cool. Leave a comment underneath. We just did a whole long Q&A, and I'll link that Q&A underneath this video too. But we want more questions because I want more students like this, you know, whether you're studying and not doing great in year 1 or year 2, but like give it time, year 3, year 4, year 5. And mind you, not all years are created equal. I think this is an important lesson because, you know, some years there's just not like a great hot sector. Like right now, there's nothing truly great. And just like you were saying, like we're not trading that much, or at least as much in previous years.
Yeah, and that's usually what happens over the summer. I mean, it just slows down, and in that time of slow moments, that's when you start focusing on the wrong things and you start doubting yourself because you might have had so much success up to this moment, and all of a sudden things have changed. And you have to recognize that.
And that's when you can go out and live. Like people are like sad when there's no great place. They're like, I need money, I need to make money. No, you don't. You need to study and you need to go out and live. And when there are a lot of plays, you'll frankly wish that you had taken time when there were no plays to go out and live.
Yeah, definitely enjoy your life.
Enjoying it. Thank you, sir. Good
Thank you.
stuff. Cheers. Leave comments underneath, leave questions. We're going to answer them all. Evcharisto. Hey, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there. And also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.